It was almost 11 p.m. After working all day, Ryan had only $17 left in his bank account. His rent was due, his credit card bill was overdue, and the next morning another payment was scheduled to come out of his account. Ryan sat on his bed, staring at his phone. He opened his banking app again. $17.40. That was his entire available balance. He sighed. I work so hard, but why am I always struggling with money? One thought kept going through his mind. If I needed $200 tonight, what could I possibly do? Ryan decided to call his old friend Mark. I don't know what to do, Ryan said. I need $200 right now, but I don't have any extra money. Mark stayed quiet for a moment. Then he said, you don't have money, but you have a smartphone. The question is, are you going to use your smartphone for entertainment or are you going to use it as a business tool? Ryan laughed. But how can I make $200 in 10 minutes with a phone? Mark smiled. You are not going to create $200 out of the year. You are going to solve a problem that someone is willing to pay $200 to solve. The sentence changed the way Ryan was thinking. Mark gave him a simple idea. Many small businesses in their local area, restaurants, barber shops, cleaning companies, real estate agents, and old local businesses were not using social media effectively. They had Facebook pages and Instagram accounts, but their content was often basic and unprofessional. Mark said, find a small business, look at its online presence, then offer them a simple service that you can create quickly using your phone and AI tools. Ryan opened Instagram. He searched for a local restaurant. The restaurant had great food and good customer review, but its social media posts were very ordinary. Ryan thought, what if I create a better promotional post for them? Ryan opened an AI writing tool on his phone. He looked at the restaurant's menu, photos, and social media page. Then he created a promotional concept for the restaurant. After that, he created a simple promotional graphic. The entire process took about 8 minutes. Now came the difficult part. He had to contact the owner. Ryan didn't send a message saying, give me $200. Instead, he wrote, I noticed your restaurant has great food, but your social media could use stronger promotional content. I created a simple post for you. If you like it, I can create a small promotional package for $200. Ryan sent the message, then he put his phone down. He thought, I am probably never going to hear back. A few minutes later, notification. The restaurant owner had replied, can you make 5 more like this? Ryan immediately responded, absolutely. Then the owner asked, how much? Ryan stared at the screen for a moment. Then he typed, $200 for the complete package. There was no response for a few moments. Ryan's heart was racing. Then another notification appeared. Deal. Ryan couldn't believe it. Just a few minutes earlier, his bank account had contained only 17.43 cents. Now he had landed a $200 client deal. And suddenly he understood something important. The solution to a money problem isn't always working more hours. Sometimes the solution is finding a valuable problem and solving it for someone who is willing to pay. The next day, Ryan completed the restaurant's content package. The owner was happy with the work. Then something unexpected happened. Restaurant owner introduced Ryan to another local business owner. That person became another client. Then another client came. Then another. A few weeks later, Ryan realized something. He wasn't really chasing $200 anymore. he had started building a system, a smartphone, a few free or low cost AI tools, an internet connections, and most importantly, a useful skill and the ability to find customers. The real lesson of Ryan's story isn't simply make $200 in 10 minutes. The real lesson is this: your phone is not just a device, it can be a business tool. If you can provide a useful service, your first client may be much closer than you think. You can create social media content, edit short form videos, create simple graphics, help people improve their resumes, provide AI assisted research, help local businesses improve their marketing, countless possibilities. But remember one thing important: before someone will pay you $200, you need to provide $200 worth of value. A few months later, Ryan opened the same bank account again, but this time the balance looked completely different. He remembered that night when he had only 17.43 cents. Back then, tonight, I have nothing. But he realized that wasn't true. He had a smartphone, had an internet connection, and had access to powerful tools. And most importantly, he had an opportunity. Ryan smiled. He put his phone down on the table and said, maybe the opportunity was never missing. I wasn't looking for it in the right place. So, can you really make $200 from your phone in 10 minutes? Maybe, but don't misunderstand the idea. There is no magic button that guarantees you $200 in 10 minutes. The real opportunity is finding a valuable problem, solving it quickly, and getting paid for the result. Your phone can be a tool. AI can help your work faster. But your skill, your offer, and your ability to find customers, that's what makes the money. And sometimes your financial breakthrough doesn't begin with a huge investment. Sometimes it begins with nothing more than a phone, an idea, and the courage to send the first message.